Ah, a gentleman who never tells. I'm very okay.
The Undateables, Tuesday at 9 on 4.
Coriander, Mrs. Jones, 10 Tulip Drive.
New Covent Garden Soup, fresh market to you.
There's now an extra 15% off the Wickes half-price kitchen unit sale.
Oh, offer ends
6th of January. It's good on name. Wickes.
I'm very picky, Let's make it happen. Let's be happy.
I got this phone because I'm a proper grown-up now. I can read the broadsheets, have all my literature at the touch of a button, do important research, stay in touch with all the other grown-ups. But then I found it had Xbox games in it.
Oh, yeah, already.
That's me. This is my Windows phone. New Windows phone.